The United States has more than 130 operating oil refineries, but companies have not built a new refinery of any significant size for nearly 50 years. That's why it might have seemed like a big deal in mid March, with gas prices spiking because of the war in Iran, that President Donald Trump announced a new crude oil refinery in Brownsville on the southern tip of Texas. Trump announced in a social media post that this is what American energy dominance looks like. The $3 to $4 billion project, backed by India's Reliance Industries, operator of the world's biggest refining complex, is being promoted as a hydrogen-powered refinery that would produce some of the cleanest gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel in the country. It would be geared to process light, low-sulfur crude from Texas's fracking fields. Trump's announcement did not mention that companies have been trying and failing for years to build a 160,000 barrel per day oil refinery at the port of Brownsville. In 2017, a company called Jupiter Brownsville originally developed the project and applied for state permits. Environmental groups and local shrimpers protested the project, and after an administrative hearing, a state agency issued permits in 2021. Since then, the developers have asked for 3 extensions to begin construction, and the project has changed hands twice. First to a Houston-based company called Element Fuels, then to a company called America First Refining, which shares the same ownership as Element Fuels. On February 26, Texas regulators granted America First Refining an extension to allow it to delay the start of construction until October 19, 2027. That marked the third and final permit extension permitted under Texas law. The Gulf Coast is already home to 8 of the 10 largest refineries in the country. Andy Leapow, head of consulting firm Leapow Oil Associates, told the Houston Chronicle that it doesn't seem like the U.S. really needs another refinery, especially down in Brownsville. To learn more about this and other oil refinery projects, visit news.oilandgaswatch.org.